In this lesson now, we teach you how to install SSL certificate. So log into your Cpanel, then scroll down. So here under security, so you have SSL TLS. Click it. Now click manage SSL site. Now for website that doesn't have SSL installed, so you have this red padlock. So you need to install an SSL. So click this to uninstall. You have a previous one, maybe it's not that correct. So to install an SSL, come down here, choose a domain, see, click autofill by domain, come down and click install certificate. So you can see SSL website now active, accessible via text. Click OK. So that's it. Now here I have these green padlocks all here. So that means you have installed SSL certificate. Actually, this kind of SSL certificate doesn't always work well. So I normally prefer using Cloudflare. So which I will now show you how to do that. Now go to cloudflare.com, account with them, signing up. So now log in. So log into your account. So you can click here to add a site. Choose a choose a plan. So I'll choose the free version. Confirm plan. Now it is scanned for existing DNS records. Now you have this. Click continue. I've teach you now to edit your name server, so you can actually do that. Just copy this name server into your domain server and click done and check name server. So this may take some hours for Cloudflare to work on your website. So after connecting your name server with Cloudflare, so you have this. So go to SSL and TLS. So if you want to see difference between these, you can actually click this. But these are the two options for you to have CSL installed in your website. So I prefer using Cloudflare. It works very well, and you can actually do that from your Cpanel dashboard. So it is a lot easier. So you have Cloudflare here on that software. And choose your domain here. So now I'll choose this domain. Now you have two options: provision domain with CNAME setup, provision domain with full zone setup. So if you use this, that means you don't have to update your name server like I did earlier on Cloudflare website. So but if you use it, that means you have to update your name server. So prefer using Cloudflare. It is more secure and it works effectively well than using the Cpanel SSL certificate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.